Teresa.
Can I help you?
Hi, Teresa. This is Giuliano Massarelli. I was just reaching out about that life insurance inquiry you sent in. Did you ever get that in place or get any information about that?
We went through this entire thing. I was not able to get the amount that I wanted for the monthly cost that I wanted. And you all have literally blown up my phone constantly since I made the inquiry. But we finished it. It was not what I needed. And plus, you call me from a different number every time you call me. Like this one shows up as Oceans 641.
Teresa, I'm just here to help you. I just want to make sure your family's in place. I mean, protected. And I apologize for any, inconvenience. I was just doing my due diligence and making sure everything was okay.
Well, I appreciate the thought, but if y'all could take me off your call list, I'd really appreciate it.
Will do. Thank you, Teresa. I love you. Fuck!
Hey, with you, baby. Bra and panties matching Ellen toes. You what kind of lady?
Hey. Hey.
Angel
Hit the
out of
reverse.
heaven, such a goddess, how the nigga
Hey.
I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, baby.